this tutorial we will create a nice 404 page using Lottie animation. Hey, this is Fahad here from heyyotpage.com. Let's get started. So this is our dashboard. From the left sidebar we will see the template. From here we will select theme builder. Okay, from here we will click add new. We will select 404 and we will give it a name 404. Okay, then click the create template button. Let's close the pop-up. Now we will take a new section here. Let's make it to full height. Okay, now go to the element, take a heading here. Now let's change the text. Page not found. Let's make it to center. Now go to the style tab, change the color to this one and the typography. Okay, now it's looking good. Now go to the element and search for Lottie. Here it is. Let's drag it to here. Okay. Basically here is two options. You can upload any media file or you can add any external link here. For now I am selecting external link. Now open a new tab and search for Lottie. Here is lottiefiles.com. Let's click it. Okay, so this is the Lottie Files website. You can find lots of animation here. And the most important thing is the Lottie file size is very small, so you don't have to worry about your site loading speed. We are going to create a 404 page, so let's search here for 404. Okay, here is lots of animation and here is the pagination. So let's take one. We will select this one. Here is the link of this animation. Let's click to the copy and go back to our website. Let's paste the link here. Okay, cool. But the animation is playing once. Let's go to the settings. From here we will select loop and from here you can speed up your animation. Okay, nice. Now let's check the responsive view. Tablet, it's looking perfect. Now go to the mobile view. The heading is too large. Let's fix it. Okay, it's looking good. The animation is fit on mobile view and tablet view and the desktop view also. Now from here click to this arrow icon and go here display condition, add condition, select from here 404 page. I already have a 404 page, so here I can see an error. If you're creating a 404 page first time, you will not see this error and you have to click the save and close button. Okay, now preview this page. Oh, it's looking really nice. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe for more new videos. Thank you for watching. Good luck and goodbye.